Happy Hump Day, Wednesday, your final Wednesday in February. Welcome back. This is Benzinga Powerball, your rapid fire show where every day you get first a disaster of the day, you get a wild winner, you get a flaming hot pick, and last but not least, you get a workout of the day. Yesterday was bicep curls. All right, producer AB.
Boom.
Let's kick it off.
All right. First, we're going to start with our disaster of the day. Get the worst out of the way. First, that will be Eventbrite today. Ticker EB. Eventbrite, of course, the app that allows people to, sign up for events, buy tickets, etc. Reported earnings yesterday after the close, and they were not great. The company beat on EPS estimates slightly, but missed revenue estimates, some growth concerns there. And as a result, you have multiple banks today, including multiple firms, including Piper Sandler, Truist Securities, and more coming in and lowering their price targets for the stock, trading down 30%. Eventbrite is your disaster of the day. Again, ticker EB.
Yeah, a couple tough things going on with the story. So stock's off 31% today. Revenue, we got guidance for the upcoming year. Revenue is the company expects to be up 10%. It seems based on analyst commentary that there's some questions about that. Eventbrite did implement new fees for event organizers. The company had to come out and say, hey, there's been a negative impact on ticket sales and on organizers after implementing those fees. Marketplace growth seems to be more sluggish than expected. And for that reason, off 30% today is Eventbrite, your disaster of the day.
Yeah, this is something that you can probably speak to, Luke. There's just so many different services out there, that offer solutions similar to what Eventbrite is doing. When we're doing our Benzinga events, we have so many different, companies like this.
Great point. The competitive landscape has changed drastically. It really has.
Yeah, there are just so many competitors that do things like this. There's probably not that strong of a moat. So I don't think Eventbrite's going anywhere. I have the app on my phone and use it probably once every couple months. But, would I invest in this? No. Would I continue to use it as a customer? Sure.
All right. Let's have some more fun. Our wild winner. This is earnings report. Revenue is down. Beyond Meat, ticker BYND. Again, Beyond Meat, ticker BYND. That is your wild winner today. Stock is up 42%. A couple things going on in this story. Revenue actually declined 8% on a year-over-year basis. That said, analysts expected a 15% decline. The company also came out and said they expect revenue to increase in Q1. So why is the stock up 42% on that? The Beyond Meat fad. Some called it a fad. It looks like it's here to stay. Looks like revenue declines have flattened out. Revenue is supposed to tick higher into the first quarter. Investors are loving it. It's a highly shorted stock. Shorts are getting squeezed. And for that reason, your wild winner today, Beyond Meat, up 42%.
Yeah, I think you put it well there, Luke, that the big key here is that the revenue is flattening out. It's not continuing to decline as we've seen in previous quarters. And that's probably what shorts were looking for. Shorts were probably looking for lower revenue quarter over quarter. Instead, you got higher, slightly higher revenue quarter over quarter. And now they're expecting even higher revenue the next quarter. So again, those shorts are getting squeezed. You're seeing some love in some other short squeeze stocks, Carvana doing well, etc. So if you were in Beyond Meat ahead of this earnings report, congratulations to infinity and beyond.
Boom. Beyond.
All right, Luke, this is my favorite part of the show. Get into the hot pick of the day.
Everyone's favorite. Dropping a pick. It takes some confidence to come out here and drop a fresh pick every single day. Today, I think it's time. Falling out of favor. Back in the limelight. Give me ARKK. Kathy Woods, Art K. Crypto is ripping. Some of these tech stocks are coming back into the limelight. We think rates are going to go down. That's going to be good for a lot of these Cathie Wood type names. Hot pick of the day. I think it's time for inflows. I think it's time for a price run. ARKK. Looking at some of the big holdings in ARKK, you got the biggest holding in there is Coinbase. You also have Square. You have Hood. Those are three names that are big positions in ARKK and all sensitive to changes in the price of crypto. I'll throw in another one. Second largest position in ARKK is Tesla. Stock is down 18% year to date, while the S&P 500 is up 7%. That's a delta of 25%. For those reasons, I think ARKK is the one to watch. I'm not in it now. I'm looking at it, and that is your hot pick. In the chat, if you like the ARKK call, put a 1. If you don't like it, put a 2. Let us know where you're at on that one.
Yeah, I mean, this thing, ARK, has been actually, I mean, it got down to around $30 at the beginning of last year and is up to 52. But like you said, lagging the overall market. You've got some names in there that certainly have the potential to make a run. My only concern, Luke, would just be is if you get into ARK now and then there's some sort of crypto pullback, if coin draws back, and that's ARK's biggest position. I don't know. But Cathie Wood was selling ARK selling coin a little bit a week ago, but it's still by far her biggest position in the portfolio.
ARKK is the call.
All right, Luke. We talked about our portfolios, how to beef those up with some hot picks and a wild winner of the day. Now it's time to beef up our bodies. What's our workout tip of the day?
All right. So yesterday we talked about bicep curls really simply. You're moving your hands like this. We said we're going to do 4 sets of 15 reps, and you'll be feeling it today. We're going to the back of your arm. So you got the bicep on top. You got your tricep down below. That's this muscle here. You're going to take those same dumbbells. You're going to extend them up over your head. You're going to drop them behind your head. And you're going to do this motion, right? All the way behind your head, all the way up, tricep extension. And you're going to do 4 sets of 15 reps. If you do that with the biceps, you're well on your way for your summer arms.
Woo! I like that. Now's the time to do it. All right, guys, that'll be a wrap for today's Powerball episode. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We'll be back tomorrow with more hot picks and workout tips.
Peace.